Hi everyone, in this video, we will disassemble the Beelink SER6 6900HX mini PC, which comes with 32GB of RAM and a 500GB SSD. First, flip the SER6 over to the bottom, remove the screws on the four corners. Next, pull the silicon pull tab to separate the metal bottom panel, and remove the four screws of the system fan bracket. When lifting the system fan bracket to the side, please be careful because the heat dissipation power cable is connected. Gently unplug the cable and you can remove the bracket. Remove the screw of the M.2 SSD and you can detach the SSD. The SER6 comes with a pre-installed M.2 2280 NVMe SSD with a capacity of 500GB. Next, press down on the latches on both sides and you can remove the RAM. The SER6 features two SODIMM memory slots, which support up to 64GB dual-channel DDR5-4800MHz RAM. Here we have two 16GB RAMs. Due to the complexity of disassembling the motherboard, we don't recommend disassembling it by yourself, therefore, we don't provide a disassembly demonstration here. A total of 9 screws are removed in the whole disassembly process. Finally, we put everything back in its original place. After all the components are installed, it can be used normally. Thank you for watching.